Jackson, tell us what this challenge is going to be for.
Okay, kids. So we have a red truck. We have 10 red trucks. We have Speed Limit, Bowser, Earthshaker, Boom, Flash, Skeleton, Hot Wheels, Buffalo, Dinosaur, Spooky Night, and Scooper.
Okay, and what are they going to do?
So they're gonna jump a ramp, and so whoever does the best, whoever does the best, kids, and we can see what they do.
So you are going to rate these maybe like a 1 out of 10?
Yeah, we're gonna start from this all the way. So we're gonna start from Scooper all the way to Speed Limit.
All right, who's up first?
So, you know, kids, it is Scooper.
All right, let's scoot this a little back so we can see better.
And kids, did you know I have something to tell you for Scooper? Scooper doesn't fit on my launcher. Scooper got to go without a launcher. He's taking it easy. He's taking his... Whoa! Did you saw that? That was cool. I'm running out of this town. I need to put my head up. That's it. Now we have Spooky Night.
Why do you call him Spooky Night?
Because he's so spooky and it's nighttime.
Let's take a better look at him. All right, Spooky Night's up. What are you going to do for Spooky Night?
So we're going to have a launcher for him.
Okay.
He's doing a flip move.
All right. Okay, let's turn this around this way so that we can get a better view of it.
Come on! That's broke.
We can put it back together. There we go.
Now we can launch.
There we can get a better view. Oh! He got stuck in the middle.
And he landed on his wheels. That was cool. That was amazing.
All right, what would you rate that?
Now we have Dinosaur. Hooray for Dinosaur. Ow. So his is a sky wheelie. A four sky one. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was pretty good.
That was cool. Everyone kind of likes him. Did you saw that?
I did.
A donut.
That was pretty fun. Who's next?
We have Buffalo. Hooray for Buffalo.
Buffalo.
So,
I thought that was El Toro Loco.
but we're calling him. Next we have Arto Loco. Now he's doing a flip one.
Whoa!
Oh, did you saw that?
That was pretty good.
Yeah, Arto Loco, you're amazing.
Let's get a view of this ramp we have going here. All right, who's up next?
So we have Hot Wheel Skeleton. Now we have the only rainbow one. Hip, hooray. I'm doing him again because he was really cool.
That was a good one.
That was really good. Didn't believe he did that. That was and I'm doing Spooky Night again. No, and he's doing that the far one.
Okay, this could be a dangerous place to be in.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah,
That was so good.
That went high, man.
Okay, what's this guy's name?
Hot Wheel Skeleton.
Hot Wheel Skeleton. Okay, I like that.
What?
Okay, who's up? Who's up next?
Are you serious? Wheelie? Are you serious? That is not what I wanted. A sky wheelie one. A 4 sky wheelie one for Flash.
was okay.
Let's
You want to try that again?
Yeah, let's try that again. Flash. 3, 2, 1, go. That was not.
Flash is not doing good tonight.
He is going to do it this time.
Oh, that was so good.
That was really good.
That was a nice, good launch.
That was nice, good. Next we have boom.
Boom.
And he's taking this flip one. He's taking this blue flip one. Are you ready, kids? 3, 2, 1, go. That was silly. Come on, boom. What? What, boom?
Oh, Boom's not doing good.
Oh, that
Poor
was,
Boom.
let's try him this one.
Okay, let's try that one. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, yeah, that was really good. I'm doing doggy too, man.
Okay.
Kids, I'm doing doggy too. Now I have 11 trucks.
All right, who's next?
Oh, you know this one, kids? Earth Shaker.
Earth Shaker.
Hey, guys. Hey, kids. Did you know something about Earth Shaker?
What?
Did you know, kids, he won 2 times. He won 2 times. He did, kids.
Yep, he won 2 of our contests here.
Yeah. That was silly. This is still going to be a win. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Earth Shaker's looking good tonight.
Yeah. He is always revving up his engines. Next we have Bowser. The speedy one. He's gonna do good at this.
You know where Bowser comes from?
Mario.
Yeah, it was on a video game when I was a kid.
Yeah, I watched that before. No, Bowser was gonna do good on this one. It says he won Kids to Kids a lot of times. He can do good on this one. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was good. Let's do that again.
Yeah, doing Bowser on this one because that was really good.
I'm going to get closer here. Watch.
I think he's going to do a front wheel. I'm doing him for a back wheelie.
All right.
Yeah!
Oh, that didn't go so well.
Yeah! Back wheelie!
Haha.
I hurt my hand! Ouch! 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 Next we have Speed Limit! He hit you, Dad.
That's all right. It's just a little car.
Speed Limit is doing a flip one.
Nope.
Not really good.
That ramp's not doing too good for people.
Yeah, not. I know this ramp is not going to do good of these ones or these ones, but it does do good ones for Doggy.
All right.
This ramp's going to do good.
Why do you call? Oh, that was nice.
That was really cool.
That was a good one. Why do you call him Speed Limit?
Because he's so speedy. And he's blue like an ostrich. And he's an ostrich. What? Next we have Auto Loco.
El Toro Loco.
He's gonna do good on this one.
I bet.
He's doing good.
When we saw him at... Oh, that was good.
That was...
When we saw him at Monster Jam, he did really, really good.
Yeah, and since this was purple in that Monster Jam, he was red.
Yep. Who was your favorite Monster Jam?
You know.
Well, tell the kids.
Auto Loco.
El Toro Loco.
No, actually, it's Great Digger, but he's the coolest.
Yeah.
He does a lot of cool tricks. Next we have Doggy.
I like Megalodon.
What?
I like the big Sharky at Monster Jam. That was fun.
He's gonna do good.
Yeah, we saw this guy at Monster Jam too.
It's not really the same. It's Dalmatian, but it does have spots. This one's gonna do good.
Yeah, I don't think. Oh, that was fun. Oh, and he landed.
Kids, did you know?
Oh, there's Rainbow Blast. Where'd Rainbow Blast come from?
He was. I picked it out for Cooper's truck, and it was on our truck before, and we switched the tray to this guy. Kids, I just thrown him, and he landed on his wheels.
Cool.
Ow!
Well, if that's landing on your toes, maybe you should stop.
Not
All
really
right.
good, Rainbow Blast.
Who do we have up next for our jumps?
So the last one, kids, is Spooky Night.
Spooky Night.
He's doing this one too. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa, that was a good jump.
Kids, look at Spooky Night. What?
That was pretty good.
That was really good, Spooky Night. So, my favorite one was Auto Loco. What?
El Toro Loco. Say it with me. El Toro.
Auto Loco.
We'll work on it.
Okay, so we're gonna check this one.
That was a good jump.
Yeah, he always does good. We're taking a good check on Auto Loco. He's the coolest. I like Auto Loco. Oh, that was cool of it. Oh.
Okay,
Kids.
can you jump 2 cars at once there?
Oh. Kids, did you know I have used my hands for this one? And kids, did you know I'm doing these separated ones? I need this wrap for 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was sweet.
Can you use the launcher for 2?
Oh, kids, this is cool. I would have to launch 2 trucks. I can fit 2 trucks. Are you ready, kids?
Let's get a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ha! Let's try it on this other ramp.
This is not.
Yeah, let's try it on this middle ramp. See what that does. That seems to be the best jumping one.
Yeah. The other ramps are really good. It says this one's the goodest one because it's not really steep like the other ones.
Let's try that again with a countdown.
3, 2, 1, bam!
That's not quite as good as just one.
Let's try stronger one, like.
Bowser, okay.
He's really strong. Let's do what vehicle were we using? We were using this one. He's really strong, so let's do him pushing. Let's do him. Auto Loco pushing him because he's really strong, and he's not. I just hit it with my feet.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, that was nice.
Here, do the Stegosaurus one just by itself. Do it really hard so it gets a good jump.
Yeah, this one's gonna be, kids. This one's gonna be a cool one.
All right, let's see how high he can jump. Oh, that was sad. Let's do that again.
That was saddest.
Okay, let's try him again.
That was the baddest one ever.
That was good. That was a good jump.
Let's do the highest one we ever done. So we need a really strong car for this one.
Bring those monster trucks over here.
Kids, can you guess the strongest car? The strongest monster truck we have is Auto Loco. We like Auto Loco. We need a strong car.
Oh, that was a good jump.
Oh, we need the highest thing ever, Auto Loco. Oh, that was cool, Dad.
Whoa.
Oh, that was a blast, man. man, Auto Loco. You're the bestest one we ever saw, Auto Loco.
Oh, I think that was the best we've done.
Yeah! Flip. Land on his wheels. Come on, Auto Loco. You need to do the bestest. You need to do the bestest thing when you're doing the bestest thing in the whole world.
Are you okay over there?
Yes. Auto Loco
Okay.
is so amazing.
Oh, that was good. I'll push him back this way too.
Auto Loco, you're doing the best thing in the whole world. I'm pushing you out.
Whoa, that was such a good jump. All right, watch this. Whoa! Oh, and he landed on his wheels.
Auto Loco, you are doing the best thing in the world. You are fired. Okay, that's it, Auto Loco. You are out, man. You're done enough with you.
Well, that's not very nice.
I'm just being silly. And it. This time, you are gonna go crazy. You went too slow. Okay, so this is gonna be too much. You went too much.
Oh, it hit the camera stand.
Hey, did you know? I said you went too much for Auto Loco because that went crazy.
Why are you screaming at them?
Because it went crazy.
That was a solid jump. That was good.
That was cool. You're doing the best thing in the world.
Whoa, that was cool.
Stop doing best things.
you hit the camera on that one.
Oh, that was nice and neat.
You hit the camera.
What?
All right, let's finish up this challenge and do another one.
Kids, this is our last one.
Okay, countdown.
He's gonna go crazy. 3, 2, 1, go. Go,
Oh.
go,